Hello there, and welcome back to another Zoog tutorial. Today, we'll be looking at how to add your loved ones to your contact list inside of Zoog. Once you've created your Zoog, you can select the Send To button and see a contact sheet with various options. Once we select the Add Child option, we can add the name of the child we'd like to add and save to our contacts. When we click Go, we can choose from a variety of avatars or a photo from our camera roll of the child. I like this one, so I can click Looks Good, and now I'll be given the option to decide what my relationship is to the child, how old my child is, and once I select Add, then there are my contacts ready to go. Great! You can now easily send them a Zoog with a custom message. Thank you for watching, and of course, thank you for using Zoog.